In this video, we are going to learn about degrees of comparison. So let's start. Look at the given pictures. What did you notice? We can see that Ram is a tall boy, but Shyam is taller than Ram and Hari is the tallest among the three. So we all can come to the conclusion that adjectives can have three forms of degrees when comparing objects or people. These are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Now, what is positive degree? Positive degree is the simplest form of an adjective. It describes noun or pronoun independently without any comparison to the other objects or people. For example, I am a fast runner. Here, runner is not compared with anyone. Only it is told that I am a fast runner. Example 2. She is a good girl. Here, the girl is not compared with anyone. Only it is told that she is a good girl. Now, what is comparative degree? This form of adjective denotes the comparison between two objects or people. It tells us which of the two has a greater degree of quality being described. For example, cotton is softer than nylon. Here, cotton is compared with nylon. So, two objects are compared here. Example 2, Rohit is taller than Sumit. Here, Rohit and Sumit, two people are compared. So, it comes under comparative degree. Now, what is superlative degree? This degree of adjective is used when we are comparing more than two objects or people. It tells us which of them has the greatest degree of quality being described. For example, silk is the softest of all cloth. Here, the silk cloth is compared with all other clothes. And the second one, Jupiter is the largest of all planets. Here, Jupiter is compared with all other planets. So, when it is compared with all, it comes under superlative degree. Let us consider more examples. Number 1, Mumbai is a clean city. Second, Mumbai is cleaner than Delhi. And the third one, Chennai is the cleanest of all cities in India. Look at the first sentence. It implies that Mumbai is clean without comparing it with other cities. It is a positive degree. Now look at the second sentence. Here a comparison on the cleanliness of two cities, namely Mumbai and Delhi, is being made. So it is a comparative degree. Now consider the third sentence. It tells us that Chennai ranks the highest among all cities when it comes to cleanliness. Thus comparing more than two cities, so it comes under superlative degree. The rules of formation of comparative and superlative degree. We can use suffixes er and est respectively. Here we have an adjective kind. The base word means the positive word. To change it into comparative degree, we add er to the word. And to make superlative, we add est. So in positive, it is kind. Comparative, it is kinder. And in superlative, it becomes kindest. Likewise, clean, cleaner, cleanest, tall, taller, tallest. We can form the comparative and superlative degree of adjectives of longer words, words of more than two syllables, by putting more and most before the positive degree. Now what is syllable? Syllable means when we break the words into parts and say, like beautiful and intelligent. So we break the word. So there is a syllable in between the words. In such words we use more and most. So it will become beauty in positive, more beautiful in comparative, and most beautiful in superlative. Likewise, intelligent, more intelligent, and most intelligent. When the positive degree ends in Y preceded by a consonant, the Y is changed to before I ending with ER or EST. For example, wealthy. Wealthy words ends with Y preceded by H the consonant. So to make it comparative, Y will change into I and it will become healthier. And in superlative, it will become healthiest. Y will change into I and est will be added. Likewise, merry, merrier, merriest, dry, drier, driest. There are some adjectives that have completely irregular comparison. In this case, we use new words for the other two forms like bad, worse, worst, good, better, best, little, less, least. All the words are completely different from each other. Here are some more examples of the 3 degrees of adjectives are given below, like happy, happier, happiest, thin, thinner, thinnest, sad, sadder, saddest, late, later, latest, far, farther, farthest, poor, poorer, poorest. We can change the degree of an adjective